with you, yeah, you, baby.
What's up, you guys? This is Katie. Today I'm going to be teaching a lesson for Chunky, which was choreographed by Sadlon. It goes to the song Chunky by Bruno Mars or The Way I Are by Timbaland. It's 32 counts with 4 walls, and if you're dancing it to Chunky, that has tags. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so our first count 8, this is our 12 o'clock wall. I'm going to be taking 2 steps forward, right, left, but as I'm doing it, I'm making some turns with it. So I like to do these as skates, essentially, kind of like 1 and 2. You can just do them like stepping out. So what I'm going to do is step forward with my right and make a quarter turn, 1. And then 2, I'm taking a step forward, like to 12 o'clock, with my left and making a half turn, 2. That's why I say I like to do these like they're skates. So I like to go 1 and 2. I think it helps you make the turn better. 3 and 4, I'm doing a weave to my left toward 12 o'clock. 3 and 4, behind side cross. 5, I'm going to kick my left foot forward. 5, 6, I'm going to kick my same foot backwards and make a half turn. 6, woo! 7 and 7, I'm going to take a step down. Okay, so we just started kick backwards. 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'm doing a left coaster step. 7 and 8. I'm going to land with my weight, essentially split weight, instead of mostly weighted on my back foot, because I'm going to swivel my heels out to the side. And 1. So the coaster step is 7 and 8 and 1. Okay, so let's just try that full count of 8 real quick, starting from the slides forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Okay, so for our second count of 8, we just did our heel swivel and 1. You're going to want to shift your weight to your left foot because you're going to scuff forward with your right. So this is and 1, 2, I'm scuffing, 2, and 3, I'm stepping down onto my right and then rocking forward on my left, and 3. As I'm doing that, I'm gonna on 3 and I'm gonna hook my right foot behind my left foot, and then 4, I'm gonna take a step back down onto my right foot. 5, I'm gonna touch my left foot behind me. 6, I'm gonna make a half turn pivot. 7 and 8, I'm gonna be doing 2 camel walks forward, stepping with my right and then stepping with my left, which means I'm popping the opposite knee. So 7, step right, pop left. 8, step left, pop right. Okay, so let's try that really slow. We just did coaster 7 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we just did our camel walks 7, 8. 1 and 2, I'm going to be doing a right mambo, 1 and 2. 3, 4, I'm doing 2 camel walks backwards, essentially. Same thing, right, left. So 3, 4. 5, I'm kicking forward. I'm doing the same like kick turn that I did in the first count of 8. So 5 and 6, you kind of scoop your leg to make that half turn. 7, I'm stepping down onto my right foot, and 8, I'm swiveling my right heel out. And 8. This is just your right heel, not both heels. So let's do that count of 8 really quick. We just did our camel walks. 7, 8, mambo, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so for our last count of 8, this is going to be really easy if you know the wolf, because this is like essentially the body roll section from the wolf. So we just did 7 and 8. I'm going to stack back with my right, 1, 2, and body roll as I'm moving, shifting my weight from my left to my right. 3, 4, I'm doing the same thing with back with my left. 3, 4, 5, I'm going to rock back on my right. 6, I'm going to recover on my left. And 7, 8, I'm doing a full turn toward 9 o'clock. 7, 8. Okay, let's do that section real quick. We just did our heel swivel, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's do all of Chunky together, the bass dance, starting from the walks forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8. And now we are at our 9 o'clock wall, which is our new wall. Okay, so let's, if you are dancing this to The Way I Are by Timbaland, there are no tags, no restarts, so you are done. If you are dancing this to Chunky, the original song, we have 2 restarts and 2 tags. Same tag, done 2 times. And the restart is in the same place. So let's talk about the restart first. Essentially, you're going to be doing the first 4 counts with one little modified step, and then you're just going to restart from where you were. So I'm going to do 1, 2, weave, 3, and 4 facing back to my 12 o'clock wall. So then I'm going to start back over 1, 2. So that restart happens 4 counts in on walls 4 and 8. Okay, so the tag. We do this tag during walls 2 and I'm just checking the steps here real quick. 2 and 6. So the tag incorporates some of the first part of the choreography. So you'll see what I mean. Like this kind of completely replaces walls 2 and 6, but you're doing the first 12, 14 counts of the dance. So let's just do, the tag starts after count 14. So let's just do the first 14 counts of the dance really quick so we can check in. Starting with the steps forward, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now we're at count 14. 8 plus 6 is 14. 7, 8, this is where we start the tag. Instead of our camel walks, I'm going to be doing a slide out to my right-hand side. 7, 8. 1 and 2, I'm going to be doing 2 heel switches. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, I'm doing a slide out to my left. 3, 4, 5 and 6, I'm doing 2 more heel switches, same order, right, left. 5 and 6 and 7, I'm taking a step forward with my right. 8, I'm making a half turn. Okay? Okay, so we did the first part of the tag, and we just did our step turn. The last 8 counts of the tag, we're going to be doing 2 wizard steps, first right, then left. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and both facing the same direction. 5, I'm stomping my right foot in place. 6, I'm going to do a quarter turn and kick with my left. 6, a la Redneck Angel. And then 7 and 8, I'm going to be doing a left coaster step. 7 and 8. And that is the end of the tag. Okay, so let's run all of that together from the beginning of the dance. Because remember, the tag starts at count 15. So let's do the first 14 counts and then the tag as well. Starting with the steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, tag, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, wizard 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, coaster 7, and 8. And then we go back into our dance, 1, 2. Okay, so that is Chunky. I know this lesson is long overdue, but I went and danced it at Harold's for the stagecoach competition this year, so I felt like I owed you guys a lesson. And I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys in the next one.